to Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia. Customers at home and abroad both speak of our products. Here, we warmly serve each customer, making customer professional service. Here, we focus on teamwork and care for each employee. We adhere to the principle of integrity management and to the concept of making a century-old enterprise in China. After years of manufacturing and operating on instant electric water heater, it provides the complete customized solution to customers, and we have confidence to create products with core competitiveness. We will make unremitting efforts to create value for our